Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on this laptop. So if your physical keyboard is accessible, then you can use a shortcut of Windows, left string and O buttons. So just click them all at the same time, and the on-screen keyboard will appear on your screen. You can, of course, customize it by resizing, reshaping it, however you like. And once you're happy with the results, you can use it. To close it, press the X button. But if your physical keyboard is inaccessible, then you have to go through the following steps, which is first pressing Start button, then going into Settings, then selecting Accessibility settings, and then scrolling down until you see the keyboard section. And down here you can enable on-screen keyboard. Again, you can customize it however you like. Close it using X. And if you want to have an on-screen keyboard available all the time without the need to go to the settings, you can use a different option, which is going into personalization, then selecting text input, scrolling down, then select touch keyboard, and then select show touch keyboard icon in taskbar, and right here select always. Now you can close this the settings, and now whenever you want a keyboard, you can access it from the taskbar by clicking right here, and you can use it. You can also use it with your touch screen, and close it by pressing an X button. And so basically that's all the options that you have. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.